No, it is.
Yeah. Okay. So, let me get you up to date. I have an earring through my Smiley. My Twinkie here is going to be doing her lip, redoing it. She's had her lip and her Monroe done. Yeah. We're two piercing freaks. Like Smiley feels better now that I have something in it and it's not moving as much.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this 14? Where's the
Do
lube?
you think I'll be able to hide my Smiley?
Huh?
Do you think I'll be able to? Whoa. Does it hurt? Wow, that went through easy. I hate you. Now I'll put it from the out like they do professionally. Look at that sticking out from her face.
So wet and slippery.
That's what she said.
Shut up. That's what she said.
Ooh. That one was powerful.
It flew.
And that is the piercing.
Here we go.
Sorry.